Greetings from India. My name is Manini Syali and I am currently working as an assistant professor at the Terry School of Advanced Studies, Delhi. The topic I am presenting today is Space Technology for Enforcing the Correlative Rights Doctrine, a new paradigm for groundwater management in Indian agricultural sector. Moving on to the background and significance. In the foundation of this research lies the relevance of groundwater for the Indian agricultural sector, with 70 to 80% of farmers being dependent on it. It further builds upon the gaps in the legal framework in India in terms of its inability to curb overuse and address equity issues. Further, there is a historically prevailing tension between the perspectives of the local communities and the government. The need, therefore, is to revisit the existing legal principles and contextualize groundwater as a common resource. In the present research, I will be addressing four research questions. First, whether correlative rights doctrine can yield positive impact on groundwater sustainability. Second, whether space tech can positively contribute in protecting groundwater rights. Third, what are the socio-economic effects of space tech for Indian agricultural sector? And last, whether India can provide best practices for use of space tech in groundwater management. Now let's understand CRT and the suitability of space tech for groundwater rights. CRT provides for equitable distribution of groundwater to all landowners irrespective of their land share. It further calls for integrated management with active involvement of multiple stakeholders. It can prove to be vital for ensuring sustainable farming and food security. A modality for enforcing this doctrine can be enhanced utilization of space tech. The common link between CRT and space tech for groundwater governance is the capacity of both to mainstream the concept of water planetary boundary. Moreover, space tech can further assist in informed decision making and provide tools for implementation of CRD by bridging administrative and technical aspects. Lastly, space tech can support by providing valuable information on aquifer behavior. To better understand these theoretical ideas, let's move on to the next slide covering the case study of Rajiv Gandhi National Drinking Water Mission. This Government of India project, which has been an amalgam of equitable utilization doctrine and space tech for water governance, has been based on the principle of scientific resource finding to create a groundwater resource database. This has been done using satellite data corroborated by existing maps. The target states have reported a success rate of around 90%. As mentioned earlier, CRD is based on an integrated management approach. It therefore becomes important to discuss a case study of private intervention. Jaltol is an open source GIS application created by Center for Social and Environmental Innovation. It has proved crucial in providing information on the hydrological cycle. This is helping agricultural stakeholders in preparing local water budget. The application stores district level data on groundwater and also notifies changes in the water table. As we reach the end of our exploration into this innovative nexus, it's imperative to reflect on the journey we have embarked upon today. We began by delving into the correlative rights doctrine, a pivotal legal framework that mandates the equitable and reasonable use of shared groundwater resources. Transitioning to the realm of space technology, we have seen its transformative potential. Through the lens of two case studies, we navigated the integration of equitable utilization and stakeholder involvement on one hand and space technology on the other. Yet, this journey is not devoid of hurdles. Legal, technical, and socio-economic implications remind us of the complexity of marrying technology with traditional governance. It calls for a multidisciplinary approach where policymakers, technologists, legal experts, and the farming community unite for a common cause. In closing, let us envision a future where groundwater is not just seen as a resource, but as a shared legacy. A future where the integration of space technology and groundwater law transcends boundaries, offering a blueprint for sustainable water management world. Thank you for your attention. Your engagement and interest in advancing sustainable groundwater management through innovative technology and legal framework are what drive meaningful conversations. Should you wish to discuss further, collaborate, or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Together, we can make a difference for the future of water security.